Welcome fans and collectors, this is Marvel and DC 379. Today we'll be looking at Combiner Wars Air Raid. Yes, this is a work of art. Just got this figure yesterday and I'm really happy with it. Let's take a look at the package. It says Combiner Wars Air Raid, and there's an image of Air Raid right there. Air Raid, his bio, he forms the right arm. Let me read his bio. If you need one warrior to fly into a hotbed of enemy activity, Air Raid is the bot to call. He's at his best when he's a one-bot wrecking crew. There's something about improbable odds that pushes his circuits to function at beyond peak performance. So he is quite the bot indeed. There's him in robot mode, in vehicle mode, and you can get the other, aerial bots available right now. Okay, enough of the packaging. Oh, and here's this comic book that he comes with. This is a Hasbro exclusive, so this is an amazing artwork. Transformers Combiner Wars, IDW, Hasbro exclusive cover. Yeah, glad to have this in my comic book collection now. Okay, so here's Air Raid in his jet mode. I love the solid black on this jet mode. Some of this, you see the stripes that they're silver, orange, and black. And you can see the Autobot symbol on the wings. It's a very well done jet mode. But the only complaints I have, well, yeah, the ugly undercarriage. You can tell it's a robot smushed up. Yeah. But hey, what can you do? But hey, it's the top that matters. It's a great top, great jet mode, but as long as you don't look at the undercarriage, which is obviously a robot, this is a great jet mode. For accessories, he comes with a double-barreled gun and the foot/hand for combiner mode, which is obviously meant for, well, combiner mode. And it's really well disguised as a weapon, as a double-barreled gun. Okay, so let's get into limb modes first. And here we have them in limb mode. And I'll be honest, this is the weakest of the limb modes because, well, yeah, the smushed up robot. But it looks good in the front. That's what I will say. But I think the arm mode looks so much better. From the front it looks like a smushed up jet, forced up to look like a foot. But, it works as a foot. That's what I will say. But, yeah. But it definitely works as a foot. But I think it works better as an arm. And now to arm mode. And here's the arm mode, which is really impressive. The much better of the limb modes. And a really functioning arm too. Like, it's very articulate. It can move its elbow. It can swivel. It can move its fingers due to transformation. It can move its thumb. Yeah, so this is definitely the better of the two limb modes. giving it a thumbs up. You can see its connector port here. You know, kibble is well folded up. You can barely see robot in this mode. Oh, and you can change it to left arm or right arm. It's up to you. Yeah, this is what I love about these combiners, you know, total scramble city. Can't wait to form Superion or Ultra Prime with this. Okay, so let's get into his robot mode. And here we have him in robot mode, which is a really good looking robot mode, I have to say. No. Let's take a closer look. Let's look at the head sculpt. It's really hard to see, but the face is silver, and I love how the top of the head is blue on his helmet. And I love the colors on this guy. It's white, red, a bit of brown, and I love how the colors break up when you transform it into robot mode. There's the orange, the red, and the black, and a bit of silver for the cockpit. For accessories, he comes with a double-barreled gun and the hand-foot weapon that forms another double-barreled gun. So, yeah, 2 double-barreled guns, that's quadruple the firepower. So imagine the cons he'd be killing with these 2. Okay, articulation, ball-jointed head, ball-jointed shoulders, hinged elbow, nothing for the wrist, ball-jointed knees, and hinged ankles. Limited articulation, but good articulation nonetheless. You know, it's not much, but still good articulation. It's the quality, not the quantity. That's what I always say. And you can tell the connector port is his chest piece, but it's pretty well disguised. That's what I really like about these Combiner Wars figures. And I love how the transformations are very straightforward. Nothing too complicated, but not too easy either. So far, this is the only limb transformer I have, but I hope to get the rest in the future soon, so I can form Superion, which I do look forward to, and I'll make a review of. Well, thank you for watching. There's more videos to come. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, till all are one.